up with other charitable organizations in the Philippines to provide medical mission in remote areas. It is our duty to provide a full documentation of every project that made to show transparency and accountability of fund allocation and distribution. 2 medical missions were done since Adicom Charity started 2 years ago. One in Quezon Province in year 2013 and one in Cavite last year, January 2014, and it was managed by one of the Adicom ambassador, Millet Martinson. Thank you very much, Millet, for your dedication to marriage. All this accomplishment is not possible without you. Without you, there is no Adicom. Without you, there is no fundraising event like this. And without you, there is no project for the less fortunate in the Philippines. So I thank you all for believing in our advocacy. I thank you all for believing in our mission. And I hope that you will continue to support us. Let me also thank and commend all the members of Adicom Charity, all the representatives from different parts of Sweden, and Chief Iron from Norway. Thank you very much. Of course, not to forget all our sponsors. I thank all the members of Adicom. I thank you all. And as we gather in the light, in every endeavor that manifest our accomplishment, let not the emotions, the glitters, and the ladder of this evening hamper us to the long way we need to travel as people. The real task and triumph are still ahead of us if we continue to help the needy. So let us therefore keep on moving on and explore the great possibilities of our organization to help, especially the less fortunate. Our organization growth and prosperity in our host country will depend on our capacity to act and to unite as one. Maraming salamat po muli at magandang gabi po muli sa inyo.